face, bro. I had a big surprise coming. These fat boys right here. I don't know if you can see what that says. It says Toyo. So I got a set of 275 40 17s for the GTR. Fat boys, look at that. Tires as wide as me. Yeah. Wide as me. Got one more tire coming that we're waiting on. Ow. They only sent 3 today. That's so dumb. They all came from the same place. Why wouldn't you just send all 4? But they sent me 3 of the tires. They're right there. Wheels, I still got time before the wheels get shipped out. And of course, if you have Toyo tires, you got to put the white Toyo lettering on it. So that's coming in soon. What else we got? Lug nuts. I got purple extended lug nuts for the GTR to match the paint. If I don't like purple, we'll go with black. Simple. I want to get the brake calipers that same color purple to match. That'd be tough. So we do that. The wheels, like the actual wheels, are still a surprise. No one knows what they look like, which is good. A very good thing. So at the time of recording all this, we got snowed in. And then the snow melted for the most part, but a tree fell again. So now we have no power. Luckily, I do all my editing on a laptop, and I can use my phone for Wi-Fi, which is good. But the biggest thing is retaining heat. Because I don't know if you can see that. That says 65 right there. That's probably backwards for you, but that's fine. It's 65 right now. We're in the dead of winter. Snow and ice and sleet. Only supposed to keep raining and snowing. So hopefully, fingers crossed, we can get back to some content. The next big project for me is speakers for the car. Because the speakers in it are shot. They're not great. So that's the next big project. If I can get out the house, I can get speakers. I can put speakers in the car. Might have to do that next weekend, though. Because this weekend I go out of town for work. So that ain't going to happen. But yeah, I guess we'll go and cover the car at least because it's done snowing. So here's that. So I know I've been posting a lot of it's been more vloggy than anything, but that's just because I haven't had any of my parts come in that I've ordered yet. Like I've ordered wheels, ordered sway bars, ordered strut bars, ordered headlights, waiting for my other car to come back so I can do more on it. But we're just waiting on parts. So I guess I could order some stuff and do some other things, but I'm really trying not to just blow money like that. So sorry. But that's just a little thing to explain kind of why like it's been more vloggy than like car stuff. More car vloggy than anything. So I don't know. I'm not even at home. Like, I'm 4 hours from home right now. I'm out of town for work. So sorry. We can get back to the video though. We can get back to that. We'll do that. Let's just put you back here. Sorry. I gotta get in on this side of the car. I need to push it to the other side. All right. Stay off my car. Barely see that. Still tough though.
Great success.
Still tough.
Okay, so quick update. So I guess this video is coming out right now tomorrow, but tomorrow would be today. So hopefully, so yesterday, I got a text from the guy at Infiniti saying my car is 95% done. They're just tying up loose ends. So hopefully tomorrow, today, my car should be ready.
What?
Does that make sense? What's today's date? The 17th. Yesterday. So this me right here, not you. This me is the 17th today. My tomorrow, your today, my car should be ready. The Infiniti. So, but yeah, that's kind of where I'm at right now. I'm excited. I'm excited to get the Q50 back. There's no boost problems. All the water problems are fixed. Battery problems are fixed. So I'm excited. We'll get some content on the Q50. There's not a lot I got going on with it. Just got to rehook up the subs. Get the clear coat fixed on it. Get it ceramic, and then she's pretty good. I mean, she's a daily driver. You don't do a lot to dailies, And once I get the Q50 back, the GTR goes to get tuned. And then after it goes to get tuned, it goes to get all of its little wrap problems fixed and a ceramic coating on it. So super excited. Gonna have some more content coming out soon because of that. So stay tuned. Stay tuned. Okay. I appreciate anyone who's stuck around this long. Go ahead and drop a like, drop a comment down below, say what's up so I know you made it to the end of the video. And that's me. This is what I do. I work, I game, and I love cars. And I love basketball, but I don't post any of my basketball stuff. I could if you're interested, but this is about cars. And the gaming channel is about gaming. So I'm not starting a basketball channel. That's not happening. Okay. I refuse. No. I refuse. It's not happening. But I'm getting out of here. I'm done yapping, bro. I'm done. I will see you guys next time. Peace. See that? I didn't do the